Unlocking the Secrets of Emission Reductions, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important and timely topic, emission reductions. Whether you're reading the news, studying, or just curious about environmental conversations, understanding this phrase is key. Let's explore what it means, why it's crucial, and how it's used in everyday English. Stay with us to unlock the secrets of emission reductions and enhance your English vocabulary. Before we talk about reductions, let's define emissions. In the simplest terms, emissions are pollutants released into the air, water, or soil. These can come from cars, factories, and even farming activities. Emissions often refer to greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, CO2, which contribute to global warming and climate change. Knowing this term is the first step in understanding the full meaning of emission reductions. Now, let's focus on the word reductions. A reduction is a decrease or diminution in size, amount, or intensity. When we talk about reducing something, it means we're making it less in quantity or importance. So, putting it together with emissions, we're talking about decreasing the amount of pollutants released into the environment. Emission reductions are critical for several reasons. They combat climate change. By reducing greenhouse gases, we can slow down global warming. Improve public health. Lower emissions mean cleaner air, which is better for our health. Protect ecosystems. Reducing pollutants helps preserve biodiversity and ecosystems. Understanding the importance of emission reductions can help us appreciate the efforts made by countries, companies, and individuals to protect our planet. To fully grasp the concept, let's see how to use emission reductions in a sentence. The government has introduced new policies aimed at achieving significant emission reductions by 2030. One of the company's key goals is to contribute to emission reductions through innovative technology. These examples show how the phrase can be used in discussions about environmental policies and actions. And that wraps up our exploration of emission reductions. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also its significance in our world today. Remember, every step towards reducing emissions is a step towards a healthier planet. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to helping you learn more English in our future videos. Keep practicing, and see you next time!